Elephants' ears aren't just for hearing. They do another important job too. They keep them cool. An elephant's ears are so large and so thin, heat can escape from them into the air. They can also flap them like fans to cool themselves down even more. Isn't that fantastic?
Elephantastic! And do they really have good memory, Auntie B?
Oh yes, they can even find their way back to places where they found water years before.
Wow! Cormac can't even remember where he left his jacket 5 minutes ago.
Hey, I think it's time for a
Brilliant animal fact!
Brilliant animal fact!
Did you know elephants don't eat meat? They spend 16 hours a day munching on grass and leaves. And the poop they plop out every day weighs as much as a grown man.
Brilliant animal fact!
But what about moves, Auntie B? Do they have any?
Well, they like to tiptoe.
Sorry?
Elephants walk on their tiptoes.
But how? They're so huge!
Aha! Leave it to me. I'm Auntie B.
Auntie B, why am I wearing these shoes? They're a bit uncomfortable.
Una, scan elephants, please. Scanning elephant. C. Only the tips of an elephant's toes touch the ground. The rest of the bone in their foot slopes up, just like your feet are doing in those shoes.
But they don't have spikes on their heels.
No, they're actually shaped more like these.
Wow! High heel trainers! Much more comfy.
Good. And inside an elephant's foot, there's a big squishy pad, a bit like the heels of those trainers.
They're very soft and springy.
Yes, your squishy heels are like cushions when your feet touch the ground. And so are the pads in an elephant's foot. Perfect for stomping around on.
You were right, Auntie B. Elephants are elephantastic. Stomp, stomp.